Hey everyone, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and today I'm going to be making a Christmas DIY. And what I'm going to do is I have these two candlestick holders, and I have these two little ornaments from Dollar Tree, and these two trees that I found. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my candlesticks here and my bottle cap ornaments, and I am going to hit them with this black flat primer spray paint. And then for the trees, I really like blue for Christmas, so I'm going to take this blue Galaxy Color Shift paint and spray paint my trees. Okay, my trees are spray painted. I tried to spray them with the blue Galaxy right on the green, and it was not turning out right. So I spray painted them black first and then with the blue Galaxy spray, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. So to put this together, what I'm going to do is I am going to put some of this on here on my candlestick holders. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of hot glue here and then hold that on there, and then I'm going to wrap these around the candlestick holder. All right, so that's on there, and then just gonna go around. Just give it a little bit of sparkle. And then I want to end up in the back. So stick a little bit of hot glue on here and hold that. Okay, so that one is done, and then I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to start putting my stuff together. So I've painted these bottle caps the flat black, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these in here. So I want to make sure that I have this towards the back. These little holes are actually going to go towards the front. I'm actually going to use some E6000, and I'm going to use some hot glue on this. Okay. So I'm going to get this, my E6000 out, and I'm going to stick some on here. And then, if I can get it out of here. And then I'm going to stick some hot glue on here too for the quick hold. And then it's going to go right in the middle, or hopefully in the middle. And then I'm going to do the same thing to my other one. Okay, now that I have those done, I'm going to attach my trees. So I'm going to use some more E6000 and hot glue to stick these down. Make sure I find the good side. Didn't do the best job at spray painting. All right, and on. Okay, and then one last thing. I made some little bows that I'm going to stick on the front here to cover up those holes. So I'll stick a little more hot glue on here and cover up the holes. And I think that's going to be it for this project. I don't think I want to put too much more on here. I think it's going to look good just like this, nice and simple. I might cut the bows down a little bit. All right, that is it. I'm going to leave it right like that. Hope you can see that. I know my lighting's not the best tonight. Here, let me push it back maybe. Well, that is it. They are all finished. I think they turned out really cute. I know I say that after every video, but I really think they are kind of cute. Let me know what you think. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, hit the bells to get notified when I upload, and take care. Thank you. Bye.